Open. Now open the box.
Here, wait a second. Can you go give me a... Oh, it's okay. I don't need anything. I'll just do it.
And it is a Blu-ray. It is a Blu-ray. Who would give Dad a Blu-ray? Mom? Seriously, Mom, look at the Blu-ray. The Blu-ray.
Cool.
From Mom. From Mom.
Whoa! Gentle.
So,
Colby singing! What? Colby singing!
Daddy can rent Lord of the Rings and Blu-ray, and you can be in your glory. Okay.